part of this video, that is chapter measurement of length, and the topic is word problem. Children, I have taken one problem here. Anu bought a ribbon 47 centimeter long on Monday, 56 centimeter long on Tuesday. Find the total length of the ribbon Anu bought. Okay, children. Children, to write the statement, first of all you should concentrate on the last line, that is what is the question line. Find the total length of the ribbon Anu bought. From here, children, you got a hint to write the statement. Yes, there are so many ways of writing the statement. In your own wording, you can write the statement, no problem. But this is the simplest one that you can start from. When question is given, you can start from that line. What he is asking, the total length. So you can start length. Children, whenever there are word problem of measurement of length, you can start the statement with the word length. And with this, I want to make a clear one doubt, children. So many children are writing the wrong spelling of the length. Even they know, it has become their habit that they write wrong. HT. They are writing LENGHT. Please, whenever you write the word, one time you read that length, TH. So concentrate on the last two words, If you have written TH, then your spellings are okay. Make sure, okay? Length of ribbon bought on Monday. Children, make sure you write the keywords, means the important words which we have to write in the statement. Okay, no need to write all the length of ribbon Anu bought on Monday. No need to make a very big statement, but make sure all the keywords should be present in that. That is 47 centimeter, 57 meter on Tuesday. So, length of ribbon bought on Tuesday. Okay, children. And what is this is 56 centimeter. And what is the last line? Total length. So, you can simply write total length. Children, if you don't have space there on that side, if you don't have space to write one digit in one box, you can do the statement below where the boxes are given. Okay. You can write single number in single box like this, centimeter on the top. And like this, total means we have to add 13, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. Don't forget to write the answer, children, with the unit. Make sure 103 centimeter answer. Yes, in word problem, statement sums 2 marks, the statement will carry 3 marks, the question will carry. But if you will not write the statement, your more than 1 mark can be deducted in the statement sum if you will not write the answer with the unit. Make sure. Okay, children. Now the next question is, please listen carefully. Look at this. The question is wait a minute. Yes. Now, children, your next question is, Anil had 6 meter long rope. Okay. He tied 2 meter 25 centimeter long rope to it. Find the total length of the rope. Children, I told you there are so many ways in writing the question. So, you can write the statement like this also. Length of rope Anil had. He tied to it. Okay. Or you can write as it is written in the question. Anil had rope. Only the digits, the number which are written should be written after the equal to. That means to the right hand side of the equal to. 6 meter. Okay. Then he tied to it. As it is from the question, you can pick up the statement and you can write to it. Is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Then total, the question is find the total length of the rope. Total length of rope is equal to, children, if you have space and if you want to solve the question where you have written, for example, here is the space and you can write one number in one box. Okay, then make sure equal to should come below equal to only. In the same box equal to should come. This is very important information, children. If you are solving the question here only, make sure equal to should come below equal to only. Now there 6 meter, no centimeters, so we can write the 0 centimeter. Either you can write units on the top like this. You can leave one box in between meter and centimeter, and or you can write on the side like I have written earlier, or you can write like this. Okay, don't forget to use the sign of plus, children. Then 5, 2, 8. Now we have to write answer, children, separately. Equal to 8 meter 25 centimeter answer. Is that clear, children? Okay, make sure, keep it in your mind. If you have to write if you have to write on the side, then make sure that equal to should come below equal to only. In the same box it should come. Now, children, next question is, Kirti is for 1 meter 48 centimeter tall. Her sister is 17 centimeter taller than her. Find the height of Kirti's sister. Now, children, we will not write the length of Kirti. They ask the question the height. So we can use the answer. Either you can write as it is. Kirti is tall is equal to 1 meter 48 centimeter. Or you can write height of Kirti is equal to, now I know there is space, so I will write meter centimeter on the top. I will leave one box in between. I have not drawn the boxes now, but I have left the space accordingly. Height of Kirti, make sure write correct spelling of height. Height. Okay. Now, her sister is taller by. Now look at here, children. Equal to. I told you equal to should come below equal to only. So I shifted this equal to this side where it will come below this line only. Taller by means ये उससे इतनी लंबी है. Okay, it's taller by 17 centimeter. Now, or you can say her sister is taller than her sister, or you can compact the statement like this. By is also the correct word. Then question is, he is asking height of Kirti's sister. So we will write as it is, height of Kirti's, apostrophe comma s. Don't forget to write this. These are some important tips. You should keep it in your mind. Now here in meter nothing is there. We can put 0 if there is no number. It's up to us. Don't forget to put the sign of plus. Okay, 8 plus 7, 15. 1 carry over. 5, 6, 1. And again, very important, you have to write the answer separately. 1 meter 65 centimeter answer. Okay, children. With this, I am going to complete with the statement sums, and now I am going to start with one more topic, a very small topic, children, of mental maths. Means the questions, the answer which you have to given orally. Okay. This is mental maths. I have shown you other videos also related to this mental maths of each chapter. I have shown you the videos. There are some fill-ups, children. For example, the fill-up is 16 meter is equal to fill-up centimeter. Now, children, in this From this unit we will come to know in which we have to convert. 16 meter. Now orally think fast. We know in 1 meter how many centimeter are there? 100. So in 16 meter, that means this 20 will come instead of 1 and it will be 1600. Okay children, 16 meter how many centimeter? 1600 centimeter. And if the question will come 28 meter 56 centimeter. Children, we have to think fast. 28 meter means 2800 centimeter plus 56 centimeter. That means it will become 2856 centimeter. Okay, it should be quick. You have to give quick answer. But children, make sure. Or I told you in other video also, in conversion video I told you that sometimes we told you not to if we will remove this m and we will get the answer. You can see 2856. But children, there are some cases there where you have to keep it in mind. Before converting it into, you should check that there are 2 digits in centimeter place. If there is only 1 digit, make sure first of all put 0 and make it 2 digit. Okay, then you can convert. 65 meter means 6500. You can look 6500 plus 5. 5 will be at 1's place and it will be like this. Children, make sure if you will not put 0, you will write 655. And what is the actual answer? 6505. So, if the question will come of conversion and if you don't want to give the solution, make sure there should be 2 digit at the centimeter place. If there is only 1 digit, make sure make 2 digit with the 0 on the left side and you will get the answer. Okay children, one very important question I want to explain here. The question is, I am going to write the question, that is, how many centimeters should be added? It's very interesting question children. Please listen very carefully. To 26 centimeter to get 1 meter. Okay. How many centimeters should be added to 26 centimeter? 26 centimeter में कितने plus करें? How many to be added to get 1 meter? Now children, we know in 1 meter 100 centimeter. If instead of 1 meter, if here will be 100 centimeter, how we will solve? What we will do? We will subtract from 100, we will subtract minus 26. We will subtract 26 and we will get 74. In the same way children, 1 meter means how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So that means we will find out, we will subtract 26 from 100 centimeter and we will get the answer 74 centimeter. So answer is 74 centimeter. You can check your answer also. When we will add 74 into 26, what we will get? It's centimeter. We will get 100 centimeter. And what is the question? How many centimeters should be added to 26 centimeter to get 1 meter? 100 centimeter means 1 meter. So what is our answer? 74 centimeter. Okay children, I hope you understood. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.